student, today we discuss the using numeric keypad. Okay, remaining chapter of data entry and keyboard skills, that is chapter 2. Okay, now what do you mean by basically numeric keypad? Numeric keypad is basically it is accessed on the keyboard, that is the right side. Okay, means what? It is the 4 columns and 5 rows. Okay, means basically the rows which has 4, 5, 6 and plus is called home row, that is known as home rows. Okay, means the numeric key is basically exist in the right side of the keyboard. Okay, next is your successful keyboard tips. Okay, many points is given here for successing the keyboard is for yes, improving your typing skills and perfectly and with the accuracy. Okay, means some point is there. Suppose you can say secure typing ergonomics, do not look at the keyboard while practicing. This type of points is given here. So after that next point is your using typing software. Okay, means some software is a in online software is also is given in online. So that's some software is an online, that is known as basically. So we take an example and we can take, because in your lab one software is there, that is a typing tutor software, rapid typing tutor software. Okay, so that's why student we will read about that rapid typing tutor. Okay, means it is a basically open source software. Okay, means what? Open source means what? Which is free in the net, or you can say online is present. Okay, so after that we can download it from the net. Okay, because it is a free and you can do the work within. Okay, in the lab it is also present. Now touch typing technique. Okay, now student, touch typing technique is what? Basically three stages exist. Okay, now stage 1 is that without strictly forbidden, means you do not look the keyboard and just type one by one word in the with the help of keyboard in the monitors. Okay, now second stage is what? It is involving memorize frequently and syllabus and typing words. Okay, now what? See the some words and after that you type on the monitors. Okay, now with the help of keyboard. Okay, now stage 3 is what? Stage 3 is basically it is an actual text to perfect the skill required. Okay, now some point is here, means color coding. Okay, color coding is that the base pointer is that uppercase, lowercase, means this all of these is given the points. Okay, now what is 3 horizontal buttons? 3 horizontal buttons is basically it is the top right corner, means what? Options, about and help option is present. Okay, now similarly we can say 3 vertical buttons. What is 3 vertical button? It is exist from the monitor, that is a left corner, means left corner means when you type there with the help of keyboard, then you will be see in the software, that is a rapid typing tutor software, which is present on the top left corner, that is a lesson, statics and the lesson editors. Okay, lesson statics means what? Where the existing new performance, means errors and rating also. Okay, now next is your text panel. Text panel is what? Basically text panel the area where you can type or typed is display also. Okay, now next is your lesson control panel. Lesson control panel is what? Basically it includes several control panels, pause or resume. Okay, pause, or you can say pause or resume. Okay, now next is your keyboard. Keyboard is basically what? Keyboard is basically the virtual keyboard. You will be learn touch typing with the help of 10 fingers. Okay, 10 fingers means what? Your both hand 10 fingers. Okay, now begin lessons means choose a layout. Okay, after the select a language, means beginner, tough and beginner and medium, means three option is present for typing. Okay, so that's after that we can say next point is that finally choose the lesson where you want to type. After that you choose the lesson and initially type from the keyboard. Okay, now after that how you interrupt your result. Okay, now student how you interrupt your result? Basically four color is there for your typing, made a mistake or you can say right typing or whatever. Okay, let's see one by one. Green is what? It denotes the right input. Okay, yellow is what? it denotes a right input exceeding the acceptable time frame. Means what? Your typing is correct, but what is the time allotted for that particular character? It will be exist or it will be exceeded. Okay, that the word will be shows by the color yellow. Next is your red. Red is what? When your typing speed is wrong. Okay, sorry, when your type is wrong. Suppose Mohan is written there and you can try Rohan. Okay, that means that color, that data will be shown by the red. Similarly, orange. Orange will be the, it indicates wrong input and also exceed the acceptable time frame. Okay, means wrong put and also the time exceed, means whatever time is, suppose 2 seconds is given for the A and your time for typing the A is 5 seconds, so that's it, exceeding the time. Okay, so that's will be so by the orange color. Okay student, now let's you will be do the assignments. Here there some points is given there. Okay, you will be doing the notebook. Okay, student, thank you to all of you.